Arranging your Instagram highlights in the perfect order is super easy. Let's say you've got 3 highlights, highlight 1, highlight 2, and highlight 3, but they're all scrambled. You want them in numerical order. Here's how you can do it. First, long press on the highlight you want to move. Then, tap the Edit Highlight button. From there, go to the Stories section and select a story to add. It could match the highlight theme, or it can just be a random one. Once you've added the story, that highlight moves to the front. Now, if you don't want that story in your highlight, you can go back into Edit Highlight and remove it. The highlight stays in its new position. If your highlights still aren't in the right order, repeat these steps for the other highlights. One by one, you can rearrange them until everything looks just how you want. You can do this for as many highlights as you have. And that's it. Now your highlights are perfectly organized. If you found this helpful, check out the link in the description for more details on our blog. Thanks for watching.